Hey students, hello and welcome once again. I hope you have watched my earlier video of the structure of a sentence that includes subject, verb and object. Now if you're worrying about learning the different types of sentences, you may be relieved to hear that there are only 4 main types of sentences that you need to know. Plus, once you know the rules behind them, trust me, they're pretty easy to tell apart. This is Rinkoo. You're watching me on your favorite channel, Learn with Rinkoo Ma'am. In this video, I'll go over each of the different types of sentences, explaining what the purpose of the sentence type is, how to use it, and what examples of it look like. So, let's begin.
The 4 main types of sentences that you need to know are declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and lastly, exclamatory sentence. Let's first understand what is declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information. It is also known as assertive sentence. It is simply statement that relay information. It includes subject, verb and object. The punctuation mark that is used in the end of these sentences is full stop. Let's now check some examples. The first example, Peppa and George brush their teeth every morning. The second example, baby wakes up if we make too much noise. Let's now move ahead and understand what is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish. It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. The subject in an imperative sentence is always in the second person. In simple words, in these sentences, subject is missing. Let's understand this better with some interesting examples. The first example, please be quiet in the library. Second one, enjoy some fresh strawberries. In both these examples, we can see that the subject is implied but not spoken. Next on the list is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is simply a question and it ends with a question mark. Let's check some examples. The first example, have you ever been to the zoo? The second one, do you like to swim in the pool? Let's now move ahead to understand what is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust, and shock. The punctuation mark that is used at the end of these sentences is exclamation mark. Do check out my other video to understand the use of punctuation marks in detail. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Let's now check out some examples of exclamatory sentence. The first example, how beautiful this city is. The second one, wow, that's an exciting grand prize. So you can see in both these sentences a sudden feeling is expressed.
This brings me to the end of this video. I hope you understood very well. Like my video and share it with your friends and relatives. Subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon next to it. New video will be uploaded next Tuesday. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Yours only, Rinkoo Ma'am, signing off.